Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia, starting right away up front. You have factory fog lamps, HID headlights as well as LED running lights, definitely going to add a sharp feel. Chrome grille, a look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, so there's plenty of room for the whole family. Up top, panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.